Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change Uber Eats bicycle to a car. Now, first of all, what you want to do, as you can see right here, it says I want to change my delivery method. Now, if you wish to change your mode of delivery from motorbike to bicycle, you can submit a form which is down below right here. I will show you how to reach to this form, because actually in order to change the Uber Eats bicycle to a car, you need to go and update the license plate or update the vehicle model right here. Once you click here, you will basically go to a form. Now, why does my website say 404 not found? Because I'm not logged in and my country is not allowing this yet as of right now. So some countries will allow this, some countries will not allow this, depending on what your country has. If your country has Uber, probably, and Uber Eats, probably you will be able to change it. Now, as you can see right here as well, multiple vehicle registrations are only available for the same delivery mode, and also walker mode is only available for those who registered bicycle mode. So please know that you cannot deliver only with your walker mode. Now, how can you only go and change the Uber Eats vehicle? Or how can you actually get to this right here where you can change your delivery method? Now, the first thing is to just go and type in the Google Uber Eats change vehicle. Then from there, you want to go and click this first link. You will land on this right here. And here you just want to update your license plate if you have another vehicle, like a car, or you can go and update a vehicle model, which is bicycle or car. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, you can read the note above before submitting this form, but that's basically how you will be able to change Uber Eats bicycle to a car. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.